case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In the landmark case of Barber v. Page, 1968, the Supreme Court of the United States shed light on a crucial aspect of the justice system: the fundamental right of the defendant to confront and cross-examine the witness against them during their trial. The case came into the limelight due to the rather unusual circumstances in Oklahoma, where a man was arraigned on charges of armed robbery. At his trial, the prosecution's main evidence hinged on the transcript of the testimony of a witness who was serving time in a federal prison in Texas at the time of the trial. Though the defendant vociferously protested the use of a transcript and demanded his right to confront the witness in person, his pleas fell on deaf ears. The transcript was read to the jury, which eventually led to his conviction. Undeterred, the defendant sought federal habeas corpus, arguing that he was deprived of his constitutional right to confrontation. The Supreme Court came to his rescue and sided with him, reversing his conviction. They ruled that the right to confront the accusing witness in person applied to the defendant, and his right to confront had indeed been violated. The crux of the case hinged on the 10th Circuit Court of Appeals' flawed interpretation of the right to confrontation. The Supreme Court pointed out that the lower court was wrong to assume that the defendant's ability to cross-examine at a preliminary hearing was forfeited when the witness was unavailable. They argued that the absence of a witness from the jurisdiction was not sufficient reason to waive the right of confrontation in criminal law. Moreover, they refuted the lower court's assumption that the defendant had willingly waived his right to cross-examination at the preliminary hearing. The Supreme Court stated that even if the defendant had cross-examined the witness at the preliminary hearing, their right to confrontation was fundamentally a trial right and could not be waived even in the face of adversity. The Supreme Court reversed the decision of the Court of Appeals for the 10th Circuit and demanded a review of the case aligning with their take on the matter. The case, therefore, stands as a pivotal precedent that underscores the paramount importance of the defendant's right to face their accusers in person during the trial.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.